ni Sir Carlo Lano.
We are in the Skillet Bistro and Cafe. We're gonna try this out. This is the dessert ramen. It's made out of algae, and ooh, as you can see, it's very actually like it smells like.
You eat it.
It smells really good. It smells like perfume, guys. But anyway, we're gonna drop the matcha sauce. There are 3 kinds of sauces, and we're gonna try this out. Oh, slowly by slowly. It's supposed to look like food porn, but no thanks. Okay, just there. We're gonna try this out. Okay, oh, okay. There's condensed milk inside and fruits. And, well, here we go.
Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts. When you say my name, but thinking of hers. I don't wanna know, don't want you to go and leave me behind. No, I don't wanna see if it isn't me who's on your mind. 'Cause I don't know what you're looking for. Oh, and I don't know what to do. Hold back, let go. There is nothing more for me to show. You're hiding to breathe, running from me. Do you really wanna be in love? Halfway from home, I picked up my phone. I stared at your face, but it's not your tone. Saying oh hello, who are you to call me late in the night? She says I just gotta say that it's here with me and not where he might be. 'Cause I don't know what you're looking for. Oh, and I don't know what to do. Hold back, let go. There is nothing more for me to show. You're hiding to breathe, running from me. Do you really wanna be? Oh baby, tell me you need me, that you can't stand it no more, that she ain't what you're looking for. Oh, oh baby, oh tell me you love me. You know it took 2 to break us down. Now you're gone and won't be found. 'Cause I don't know what you're looking for. I don't know what you're looking for. And I don't know what to do. Hold back, let go. There is nothing more for me to show. You're hiding to breathe, running from me. Do you really wanna be in love?
Try this out, and it's oh my gosh, wait, there's a flower from
Japan, the
Japan,
sakura.
yeah. Oh my gosh, this is really good. There's like a harmony of flavors on my tongue. Sweet, salty, bitter. It's perfect. It's really good.
Lahi lagi dessert. Lahi na siya ng dessert sa uban bitaw.
Yes, we really had a great meal here, and I enjoyed the desserts, of course. But ikaw, what's your favorite?
Okay, my favorite would be the Dew Droplet Cake.
Yeah, okay.
I love that so much, guys.
How about you, Cara? What's your highlight here? Okay.
Yeah, high five.
Oh.
Tapuan!
Glenn Abukay?
Pwede.
Ano ba? Spaghetti.
Dessert Ramen. I thought Glenn Abukay. Glenn, what's the highlight?
Ang Dew Droplet Cake. It was amazing, guys. It was a bomb. Kung ganahan mo, anhidre, make sure nga makasuway mo sa Dew Droplet Cake. Okay, solid yung guys siya.
So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channels. Mine's Kalami Cebu. Yours is
Sorry, the snap vlogger.
Glenn mo guys.
Gagamo, guys.
Nothing.
Follow there, Cara Doloricon in Facebook and Fathema Kotihar on Facebook. So thank you, guys. What's that?
Last, make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.